how many bags can one person possibly need? Look at all these Victoria's Secret bags. I'm just hoarding, literally. I've got this one, this one, this one. These are brand new, still in the package. Gosh, I'm getting rid of stuff that I've had in my closet for 20 years. Ball gowns. This is how you know it's getting real right here. When I'm getting rid of my Twilight t-shirt, it's getting serious, people. Okay, you guys, this is one of the first giant loads that I'm getting rid of. I have these things that I've brought down, and I have 3 giant garbage bags upstairs of clothes. I still need to go through my son's items, and then I still have a ton of stuff that I can honestly get rid of in my own closet. But I just wanted to show you some of the stuff. This is my daughter's little princess castle shelf she had in her room, and we've had it for years since she was a baby, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let that go. Most of this stuff will either be taken to Goodwill or given to the Red Cross. And some of it I'm taking to the Airman's Attic on base, which is for E5 and under, to just go get free items of clothing or household supplies, furniture, things like that. Trust me, when we first had my son, we were living on a military income, and many of our items for our house came from Airman's Attic. So I just want to give back now that I can. So I'm getting rid of that. And then I have this brand new set of mercury finish candle holders that I picked up, I think at Kirkland's. These have never been used. They're brand new. I bought them right before we moved here 5 years ago from Colorado because I was trying to introduce more blues into my house. So I bought these, and then when we came down here, we're in Florida now, so I didn't really feel the need to use those. I also had some pillows that went with that over here too that I've never really used. They were this pillow here, I think this was from Pier 1, as well as this one was from Kirkland's. It's kind of a beachy, like coral print, but it really doesn't go with my bedroom now. Because even though we have this color blue, we have a lot of white and silver in there, and this beige kind of sand print really clashes, so I'm not going to use that. I'm getting rid of quite a few of my son's pairs of jeans because these are about 2 inches too short on him, and I kept thinking, am I shrinking his jeans? I still do most of their laundry, and it wasn't that I was shrinking the jeans. They literally just are different sizes when they come in brand new in the pack, and I had to start really laying the jeans out. So the ones made in like Indonesia or Lithuania or somewhere like that are much longer than these that are in Bangladesh, and I kept wondering what is going on with his pants, and I finally realized, oh, they're literally different sizes. So it was running me crazy for a while till I figured out what was going on. But we have quite a few of these that we'll be getting rid of. I started going through my Christmas stuff, and I had a few ornaments here that I still had not gotten rid of, as well as a few more I added. Like this is a really nice ornament, but I'm just never going to use it. I thought about giving it to my mother-in-law, who was a college professor, because she collects apples, but she has so much stuff. I don't want to put my clutter onto her, so it's going away. And then this shirt here we're getting rid of. It's a Disney cruise shirt. I thought about keeping this to make a quilt, and I'm like, oh my gosh, get rid of this stuff. Somebody would love to have this. There's nothing wrong with it. He's only worn it once. And then I have a lunch bag down here that was one of his Pottery Barn lunch bags, and I was keeping it in case he needed it, and I thought to myself, he's not going to use this. Why is this even still in my house? So it's got to go too. And I'll show you some of the clothes that I'm getting rid of as well. Like I said, we've got 3 giant bags upstairs, so let me run up there. Here's some more items that we're able to get rid of. My daughter begged and begged and begged and begged for this ice cream truck. She just fell in love with it, and it has all these accessories. Now keep in mind, my daughter hates dolls. She has never liked dolls. This was, I guess, just for her and her stuffed animals to play with. But this thing was about $100. It still has all these accessories. And she played with it for a while, but she was like, it's taking up too much space in my room, so she wanted to go ahead and get rid of it. So I'm just going to pass it on. I thought about selling it at Christmas time, but I think I'm just going to donate it. She has quite a few books we're getting rid of. Some will be sent to my niece, and then some I'm just going to go ahead and pass along. And then she has these Morel boots that I bought for our trip to Scotland. She and I had Mommy and Me boots, and actually now she fits in my boots. They were only worn for that one trip, so I'll go ahead and pass these on too, and hopefully somebody can get some good use out of them. We are in Florida, but people do go camping and stuff here, and they weren't too hot, so hopefully somebody can use those. And then these are some other red Christmas boots that she had that she outgrew. These blue boots are the ones we took to London, and these are amazing, you guys. What's the brand on these? Holly. I actually want to pick some of these up for myself. They are super, super soft. They made it through the ice and the rain, and she said they were so comfortable. So I'm actually thinking of getting these for myself. I'll stuff in here, her Space Camp shirts, and she has just tons of really nice clothes. A lot of these things, like this dress from Gap, is brand new. We just never had an occasion for her to wear this. And this is like a kid's size, I think 14, 16. But honestly, Gap runs a little bit small. And I should have taken it back, but we don't have a Gap here. I would have to drive out of town, and it wasn't worth it to ship it. So I'll let that go as well. Wish we had other girls in the family around the same age. They would get so many cute items. So here's one of the bags that I have with clothes in here. And I have some stuff, I mean, literally that's brand new with tags, but it did not look like I thought it was going to. Or I tried it on and my husband was like, no bueno. So it's got to go. And just the other things that I've been holding on to. I have tons of stuff with these sequins on it. This is brand new. I don't know why I went through such a sequin phase, but these things bite. And what they actually like will snag on your skin, even though it's, you know, on the outside. To me, they're just itchy, and I'm not going to wear these. I have 3 or 4 of these things. I had these little jeans with the little tears in them that I picked up from the store, and my daughter was like, Mom, no, those look too much like teenager clothes. And I was like, you're right, never mind. Gotta go. So I'm getting rid of those too, and then there's another whole bag here of my husband's clothes that we've been going through. This is a brand new shirt from Hagar, but he's never going to wear a shirt like this. I have this Aeropostale shirt I bought a few years ago. I've never worn this thing. It's still got the tag still on it. I don't know why I thought I would like this. It's got little sparkly letters on it. Somebody would enjoy this. Anyway, I have tons of stuff that I tend to hang on to for no apparent reason. The money's already gone. Somebody should be enjoying this thing. I have this little dress right here that I bought for my daughter while we were in Scotland at the Disney store there. And honestly, I was thinking that I probably would pass it on to my niece. But I don't know that I will want to hang on to this for that long because my niece is only 3 and my daughter is 11. And I'm thinking somebody could be using this dress all that time. So I think I'm going to go ahead and let this go too. That's the thing, when I buy specialty items like this, like a lot of her Matilda Jane and stuff like that, it was so hard for me to let go. But I'm doing better, so this has got to go. I'm also letting go of this Victoria's Secret pink piece of luggage right here. This has been an amazing piece of luggage. It's been with me all over the place, all over the world really. But now I have a different type of luggage that has spinner wheels on the bottom. If you guys don't know the difference, those wheels swivel, so it's a lot easier to get through the aisles with those. And these are just stationary wheels, but it's super cute on the inside. The little Victoria's Secret dogs on the inside. And I'm just all about keeping things that are easier and not holding on to stuff just because we may need it in the future. So this is going to go as well. Apparently I was going through a scarf phase. What am I doing with all these scarves? No. Believe it or not, this actually sparks joy. I'm keeping it.